Hiya and welcome to my unboxing of the Planners Anonymous kit, Sail and Sea. Now, due to COVID, this kit's taken a really long time to get to me. Not the fault of Planners Anonymous at all, just the way that shipping worldwide is going at the moment. So it's been some time since the kit was released, but this is my first view of it. So here we go. So I have here the paper pack that comes with the kit, the Addon paper pack, the Addon sticker kit, and everything in the planner kit. I can see straight away there's a difference here. Our washi is individually wrapped with a sticker on it this month. And also this is the very first month with the little skinny 5mm washi, which I absolutely love. Love, love, love that size. So we'll start with the papers. This is the first page and I absolutely love it. All the little boat sheds in rows here. And what's really cute is just the colour theme with the blues and the reds and the whites with all of the boat sheds. And on the back of that there's a blue watercolour. So we have two of those. Then a swirling sea. So we've got all of the stylised waves. And on the back of that, this really nice grey. So we have two of those. And this is stunning. Oh my goodness, this lighthouse here and the watercolour. I just want to put it a bit closer so hopefully you can see the watercolour and the waves there and the sky. This is just absolutely stunning. Love it. Love, love, love it. And what I love even more is that this is on this side. It's making it perfect for making some type of book cover. So love that. And that's this gorgeous red on the other side. So we have two of those. And then we have the vellum. So the vellum is also the lighthouse. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. And if we just look, we can see it does actually perfectly line up with the paper. So you could do all sorts of dimensional things with that. And then the acetate with this super cute, sorry about the light here, it's a gold foil and a super cute paper boat on it. And then also as part of the planner kit there's this whole bag of goodies here. This is everything else that's in the kit. I'll just start by looking at the girl of the month. She is so cute. I love the seagulls in the background in the lighthouse. Her name is Isla and I'll just hold that there if you'd like to read that. And there's the bottom of it there. I never know if you want me to read this or not, so some feedback on that in the comments would be really helpful for me. But that's the girl. And then I have to look at the pen. I just love these pens. The pen this month is this deep red colour. It's gold hardware. And it has all these crystals in here, which are blues and whites and reds. Hopefully the camera's picking all that up for you. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And this is the gorgeous 5x7 art card, Light Your Own Way. Such a beautiful scene. And then we've got a pocket die cut, so Sail Away with the stylized wave and the paper boat, and that's perforated to help you fold that into a pocket like so. And the pocket is the perfect size for fitting these stickers in. And then we've got all the other die cuts, so I'll just pick those up. We've got another one of the girl. A treasure map where X marks the spot. A lighthouse. Oh, I love that message in a bottle. The rope. Sounds a bit like a game of Cluedo. The rope. The life buoy. It's not a life buoy, a life ring. A lantern. Paper boat. A seagull. Gorgeous little boat shed. I love these banners. You can also cut these to have 2 different banners for poking in on the side of a page. Cute anchor with the rope, and then the sailboat. So there are all the die cuts for the month. Here we have the stamp set for the month. Sorry about that little bit of glare there. We've got some really cute stamps here. Like we have the bottle and the message to put in the bottle, but they are separate. And then the little boat shed, bikini, the lighthouse, or 3 boat sheds in total. The birds, the shells. You'll be able to make all sorts of little scenes with that. And then also the cute girl there. So hopefully you can see all of those there. Then we've got our quote cards, and there's the backer card with the cute boat sheds. Got a different font. It's well suited, I think, to the sailing theme. So we've got Let Your Dreams Sail, Light Your Own Way, You, Me and the Sea, Seize the Day, The Sea Calls to Me, and Refuse to Sink. A very good one for the times. So 6 quote cards as per usual with the lovely watercoloured background. And now we have the stickers that come in the planner kit. I'm just loving everything at the moment, just the blues and everything, and also the red. I never really craft with red at all. It's not a colour I choose to use, but it's so effective with this theme and with the blues. So here we have the stamp set. Gorgeous. Really, really nice decorative items with the nice watercolour. And here we've got the colours of the kit with the weekly headers. And this is the folding traveller's notebook sticker. So these 2 bits fold into each other, they stick to each other, and then it folds over on top of this. So you can have something secretive written in there. And then the icons in the 4 different colours. And you can see the next kit, which is Love Bug. So I believe that kit's also on its way to me. So we have 4 sheets of stickers in the planner kit as per usual. And then 3 rolls of washi. And I'm pretty excited about this little skinny washi. I use 5mm washis a lot, and it's really nice to have the 5mm in this theme. So let's unwrap these and have a look at them. So here's the washi here, the 3 different washis with the gold foil. Hopefully the light's catching those so you can see the foiling, and also all the gorgeous shades of blue and red that are being used. So it's much more stylized sort of washi this month. We haven't got sort of the decorative scene or anything like we usually get, which is great. It's good to mix it up. So they're the washis. And then the only other thing left in the kit is the mystery item, which we have in this little baggie here. And it is a magnetic pin. And it's an anchor with Seize the Day. So that's also got gold foil on it, and it's magnetic. So we've got a Planners Anonymous on the back and a little magnet there to hold it. So you use that just like this. So the magnet on one side and the pin on the other. Super cute, and a bit of a well-needed affirmation at the moment. So with the 6 papers, the acetate, the vellum, and then all of these goodies, this is your standard planner kit for Sail and Sea. Loving it. So let's have a look at the Addon paper pack and Addon sticker pack. This is the Addon paper pack, and first up, loving it. Love, love, love it. So this is on one side, and then we've got this brown on the other side. So we've got two of those. And then a nice loose watercoloured stripe with different shades of blue and red. Oh, and a really nice blue on the reverse of that. So we have two of those. And then this is cute with the life ring and the anchor. And we have a brown on the back of that. Lots of nautical themed things, as you'd expect. And then also, we're very lucky, we get another copy of the acetate and another page of the vellum. The Addon paper pack has 6 double-sided pieces of paper, 1 piece of acetate and 1 piece of vellum, which is all fantastic to craft with. And then this is the Addon sticker kit, which always is a nice bunch of stickers. I'm just loving the cleanness actually of the blue and the red and the grey and the brown. Is such a clean, refreshing sort of colour palette and theme. So here we've got some beach clothing. Perfect for the northern hemisphere at the moment, a little less perfect for here. It's absolutely freezing today. And then we've got some nice nautical things here with the man. We've got the boat, the anchor, the lanterns, the caps and the ship's steering wheel. So here we've got the birds and the whales and the boats. Everything's just so lovely. I just really cannot explain enough how much the gorgeous watercolor looks on the stickers. It really, you need to see them in real life. They really are gorgeous. Here we've got lovely little boat sheds and lighthouses. The waves and shells. So pretty. So these are perfect for writing little things in your planner. They're just sort of stylized and a little bit decorative, but then fantastic for writing in. We've got some quotes. This is one of my favorite pages every month because they're decorative but also very functional with space to write in these boxes, and the boxes are 1.5 inch width. Well, they're designed to fit in a 1.5 inch column. You can obviously use it in other things too, and I'm delighted to see there's 2 pages of those. And then the little sticky notes, which are another favourite of mine, with the 2 sets of monthly date dots. So you can see there you've got 2 sets, one for your monthly page, one for your weeklies, or however you want to use them. And then we've got these pages in the colours of the kit. So we have the day headers with the little dots there to put your day in for your date dot. And then all these lovely splashes, a weekly tracker and a full box. And they're in these gorgeous colours. We've got the blue, the red, the light blue, love that, and the brown, which is not a favourite of mine, but it's actually quite a nice brown. And then my favourite little minis, 2 pages of the minis. We've got the decorative minis here that go with the theme, and then we've got the more functional minis. So down here we've got minis for cleaning, shopping, cooking, etc. And then little peeking minis for peeking over the top of something or beside something. So 2 pages of minis. And this month a total of 17 pages of stickers in the sticker kit. I think Sammy says a minimum of 14 pages. I'm not actually sure if I've ever received a kit with only 14 pages. You certainly get a large amount of stickers, which is absolutely perfect, and they coordinate so nicely with the papers and everything else in the kit. So hopefully you've enjoyed this unboxing. I've enjoyed it. I've just loved seeing this. I've been dying to get my hands on this kit. Oh my goodness, this pen. I'm really in love with it, and I'm definitely going to set aside time to craft with it as soon as possible. It's been lovely having you here, and hopefully I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!